Hey everybody, I'm making a video about how much you can fit in a 1.7 cubic refrigerator. I bought this refrigerator for $80 and I wanted to show how cheaply or inexpensively you could put a refrigerator in your van. Now I know that there are Domestics and Arbs out there. Those cost a lot of money, and probably later on down the road I'm going to buy one of those. But first I wanted to show that you could do it inexpensively, and this is what I did. I bought an $80 refrigerator and I'm going to show how much you can fit in it. Okay, so I put a gallon of milk in here, and so when I put a gallon of milk in here, I cannot put a lot of things in here, but this is what I was able to put in here with a gallon of milk. Alright. So, 2 liter, some grape juice, salad dressing, a couple of cans of soda. I have my eggs up here. Here's the gallon of milk, a head of lettuce, put that to the side, another can of Coke, some patties, meat patties, 32-ounce bag of cheese, more cheese. I can still put more in here, but I only put one. And so that's what I was able to put in this $80 refrigerator, 1.7 cubic refrigerator. But that's with a gallon of milk in there. You're probably better off buying a smaller, like a quart size,
Yeah.
size of milk. So,
No.
oops. Okay, so I added some more. I took the gallon of milk out and I put in a bag of fruit, apples, oranges, 2 liter Pepsi, salami, 2 liter Pepsi, salad dressing, some grape juice, a head of lettuce, some potatoes, 2 cans of soda, 1 can of cheese, more cheese, some pot pies, turkey pot pies, pot pies, and then I have my eggs right here. I have my, some eggs right there. So that's what you can fit in a 1.7 cubic refrigerator. Once again, I only paid $80 for this, and it served me pretty well for about a year now. I've had no problems with it, and so yeah, there's my video. In order to install my refrigerator, I also needed a pure sine wave inverter. I originally installed a 400 watt and then I tried a 600 watt, but I actually needed a 1000 watt power inverter. I do recommend you get a pure sine wave inverter. I know some people say just get an inverter, but you're doing yourself a disservice. So if you can, get a pure sine wave inverter, especially if you plan to use a computer. Because if you just get a regular inverter, eventually you're going to mess up your computer. And that's just a fair warning for you guys out there. I'm still moving everything around in my van, but I have a microwave now, and I plan to do a video on that setup. So stay tuned to that. please sub so you can get that video. Thanks for watching.